Welcome back. If you haven't liked or subscribed yet and you're joining us, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and we'll get right into it. So this time we're going to look at, again, some of the cool features that kvCORE has in there that we don't always get to see. In BoldTrail, same thing. We're going to get in here and look at some. One is called the listing code. So this is kind of like a writer, but instead of going through and giving you just a single property squeeze page, it actually goes through and has a recorded voice that gives you the square feet, bed, bath information like that. And you get to record the message yourself, talking about the property. So when someone calls, dials the number, puts in the 4-digit code, it automatically goes through, and then you get them as a client by having that recorded voice, and they get put in your kvCORE BoldTrails. Let me show you how it works. So again, kvCORE, expand the 3 lines, BoldTrails are already there. Go to lead engine. When you're there, you're looking for listing hotline. And I click get started. And as you can see, 24-hour hotline. So then right here, call for recorded message or text. And like it says, very simply, they'll call that number, put in the code, and it has a recording. So the way it works, you have to go here and click listing codes. And then you have to add your code. Right here, add code. So I click add code. I don't have a listing, so I can't show it right now what it's going to look like. But you would just type in your listing, your MLS number, address, and then you would put the code, say 1101 is fine. I'm going to add my voice recording. And if you, of course, it has to be an MP3. So you're going to record your voice on your phone as an MP3, record your message or on your computer, whatever you want to do. And then you would just upload it right there. And see right here, the MLS ID will be automatically added to a hashtag if they call. So you'll know exactly what home they're calling about, because there'll now be a text lead or a voice call lead directly to your CRM, your BoldTrails or kvCORE, and they'll be added in directly that way, so you don't need to worry about it. And I want to submit it, but it won't let me because I don't have the MLS number. And this is that easy. And then once you add the code, your hotline number will be there, and you'll be right here. See, this is the number here. And this is that, it's that easy to get a listing set for an automated. Remember the other one we looked at earlier, in the last one, I'm just going to jump back and show you the difference, was your call and text capture, where they have just a sign and they text that number or try to call that number, and it makes them put in this MLS open house 123, and then they get this MLS number sent to them as a single property squeeze page. That's another way to do it. The other way they have now is this listing hotline. So again, as you can see the difference, this goes right on your sign or below it. Call for recorded message. It's open 24/7. They just go through, type in, call that number or whatever, text it, put in that code when it asks for the code, and then your recorded message plays for them. Easy way they get to hear your voice. Make sure you're not like, welcome to 123 Main Street. Don't be a ridiculous person. Have some emotion, like, thank you for coming to my listing. I went to Main Street. Let me tell you about it. Let them see your personality, let them see how it is, have some kind of excitement that way. That will help you have a better conversion. And then as you go through, you'll be able to work with that, and it'll be a lot of fun. This is an easy way that BoldTrails and kvCORE, another way, other than those other riders with that single property. This lets you record it yourself and send it in. It's a very simple. I just wanted to show you that real quick in this video. I know it's a short one this time, but that's fine. Just so you have an idea of what's out there and some of the extra cool features that we have available in BoldTrails and kvCORE.